Let's take a look at what's in the box. It's this Tom Shoe stove. So let's unbox this. It looks like setup directions if you want to use it as an alcohol stove and if you want to use it as firewood. I want to use firewood for my test. I don't even have any alcohol stove fuel. So let's take a look at it. It comes in this nice carrying case. It's this padded case. It actually feels pretty nice. It's mesh, but it's like a soft, spongy mesh. Here's a little grill thing. Okay, let's see how we do this. Let's take this. Okay, this guy's next. That guy. So you can go in there. This goes there. Next is this guy right here. And next is this guy. Alright, okay. So you can see in the bottom, oops, without spilling everything out, there's this catch right there for all your, so that it's not sitting right on the ground, air can get up. Alright. So it has this thing right here. It doesn't look exactly like the picture, so it looks like this, okay? When you actually get it. I don't think there's any difference in terms of performance or anything like that, but just a little note. Okay, so this is for the ash. Put it underneath to catch the ash, okay? So that's the way it sets up. I think it sets up pretty nicely. They advertised that I could use dry grass, pine cones, leaves, twigs. Well, I think I could find some twigs, but I definitely have some pine cones that I'd like to see what I could cook in one of these things on a pine cone.